Hello and welcome to an unboxing video. Today I'm delighted to be unboxing, it's quite large for the camera this, unboxing our Boya Super Cardioid condenser microphone. We've been looking for a shotgun microphone and we feel that this is up to the task. So what we want to do is use this to capture audio in group scenarios where we might not be able to mic individual people and we need to collect more of a group. This is suited for indie film productions, news gatherings and documentaries and more, according to the packaging. So the packaging is very simple. We have a pouch. Oh, I like this. We have a mount with a hot shoe actually, that's really handy. Hot shoe mount so you can plug it into your camera. And we've got a suspension system where you can pull the microphone through the middle of these rubber bands and it'll give you some balance to stop any vibration noise, or at least reduce the vibration noise, meaning that the microphone is suspended in the middle of this cylinder. As we go into the rest of the case, what we've got here is we have a pouch, obviously with the microphone in. I must say that's really quite nice. And we have the associated instructions, along with a dead cat cover so that we can use it in windy environments. So with the dead cat cover, you can see that it's here and actually it's quite well made by the looks of it with a drawstring, making sure that you can get a nice seal on the unit. Opening the case, it's a bit like a pencil case. And what you find is we've got the condenser microphone here. And actually what I'd say immediately is it comes out with a good foam dampener on there, but actually I think this unit it is quite small and compact. I'd actually expect it to be probably about a third larger. So according to the instructions, there is a super cardioid polar pattern from the microphone, meaning that it is like almost like a Christmas tree shape in some regard around the edge of the microphone. Got a mesh grid over the end, that's where they're there, but also it captures ambient sound there. So you really need to be thinking about how you point it. At the other end, there is an XLR lead, perfect for high-grade audio, making sure that you capture that data. The unit does unscrew, and here is space for a AA battery, as you do need to power these units. This does not run off phantom power. You need to do that there. On the microphone themselves, you've got a switch here. You've got on, and then you've got a third switch, which applies a high pass filter to the microphone. The high pass filter is apparently at a frequency of 150 Hertz. The weight of the item, quite considerable. It feels well made, and actually we're looking forward to putting this into use. So if you'd like to see the video when this gets put into action, please by all means stop by a YouTube video and check it out for more details.